Hey you guys, check out this galvanized raised garden bed kit. It's 4 by 2 by 1 foot. Now, unlike standard planters, this raised garden bed features curved pillars that tightly lock to prevent soil erosion. This innovation ensures efficient drainage while keeping soil contained. It's perfect for flowers or vegetables. This metal planter box promotes healthier plant growth. It's engineered with rounded edges, a protective rubber trim, and internal support bars. This 4 foot by 2 by 1 foot raised garden bed, outdoor, prioritizes safety for children and pets. Enjoy peace of mind with this metal garden bed for gardening. Now, this thing's durable and long lasting. It's crafted from 0.4 millimeter corrosion resistant galvanized steel with reinforced 0.6 millimeter pillars. And this metal raised garden planter bed features an elegant wave design. The anti-rust coating ensures long-term use, making it a sturdy galvanized garden bed that withstands harsh weather while maintaining structural integrity, and it's ideal for year-round gardening. Measuring 4 by 2 by 1, this raised garden bed provides an open base design that enhances root development and prevents waterlogging. The above-ground garden bed is suitable for growing shallow-rooted plants such as lettuce, strawberries, herbs, and beets. I really appreciated how simple this thing was to assemble with the wing nuts and nuts. Super easy. And as you can see, assembling this thing requires no technical expertise. Start gardening immediately with this vegetable garden bed. Here's a look at it out in the yard. I'm really happy with this thing and can't wait to put some soil and seeds and watch this thing flourish. Thanks for watching, everybody.